Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Life School. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 25 most common Uzbek language verbs. I recommend keeping a notebook nearby and writing down the new verbs as we go. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin with our first verb. Bo'lmoq. Bo'lmoq. To be or to become. Bo'lmoq. For example, men shifokor bo'ldim. Men shifokor bo'ldim. I became a doctor. Men shifokor bo'ldim. Qilmoq. Qilmoq. To do or to make. Qilmoq. Men uy vazifamni qilaman. Men uy vazifamni qilaman. I do my homework. Men uy vazifamni qilaman. Bormoq. Bormoq. To go. Bormoq. Men maktabga boraman. Men maktabga boraman. I go to school. Men maktabga boraman. Kelmoq. Kelmoq. To come. Kelmoq. U bugun keladi. U bugun keladi. He comes today or she comes today. U bugun keladi. Yemoq. Yemoq. To eat. Yemoq. Men olma yeyman. Men olma yeyman. I eat an apple. Men olma yeyman. Ichmoq. Ichmoq. To drink. Ichmoq. Men suv ichaman. Men suv ichaman. I drink water. Men suv ichaman. Okay? Uxlamoq. Uxlamoq. To sleep. Uxlamoq. For example, bola uxlayapti. Bola uxlayapti. The child is sleeping. Bola uxlayapti. Turmoq. Turmoq. To stand up or to get up. Turmoq. Men ertalab soat 7da turaman. Men ertalab soat 7da turaman. I get up at 7 a.m. Men ertalab soat 7da turaman. O'tirmoq. O'tirmoq. To sit. O'tirmoq. Men stulda o'tiraman. Men stulda o'tiraman. I sit on a chair. Men stulda o'tiraman. Yurmoq. Yurmoq. To walk. Yurmoq. Biz bog'da yuramiz. Biz bog'da yuramiz. We walk in the park. Biz bog'da yuramiz. Yugurmoq. To run. Okay? Yurmoq. To walk. Yugurmoq is to run. For example, u tez yuguradi. He runs fast. U tez yuguradi. Or she runs fast. Haydamoq. Haydamoq. To drive. Haydamoq. Men mashina haydayman. Men mashina haydayman. I drive a car. Men mashina haydayman. Uchmoq. Uchmoq. To fly. Uchmoq. Samolyot Toshkentga uchadi. Samolyot Toshkentga uchadi. The airplane flies to Tashkent. Samolyot Toshkentga uchadi. Kirmoq. Kirmoq. To enter. Kirmoq. Men xonaga kiraman. Men xonaga kiraman. I enter the room. Men xonaga kiraman. Chiqmoq. Chiqmoq. To go out or to leave. Chiqmoq. Men uydan chiqaman. Men uydan chiqaman. I leave the house. Men uydan chiqaman. Qaytmoq. Qaytmoq. To return. Qaytmoq. Men kechqurun uyga qaytaman. Men kechqurun uyga qaytaman. I return home in the evening. Men kechqurun uyga qaytaman. Ko'rmoq. Ko'rmoq. To see. Ko'rmoq. Men do'stimni ko'rdim. I saw my friend. Men do'stimni ko'rdim. Qaramoq. Qaramoq. To look. Qaramoq. For example, derazadan qarang. Derazadan qarang. Look through the window. Derazadan qarang. Eshitmoq. Eshitmoq. To hear. Eshitmoq. Men musiqani eshitdim. Men musiqani eshitdim. I heard the music. Men musiqani eshitdim. Tinglamoq. Tinglamoq. To listen. Tinglamoq. Men o'qituvchini tinglayman. Men o'qituvchini tinglayman. I listen to the teacher. Men o'qituvchini tinglayman. Gapirmoq. Gapirmoq. To speak. Gapirmoq. Men o'zbekcha gapiraman. Men o'zbekcha gapiraman. I speak Uzbek. Men o'zbekcha gapiraman. Aytmoq. Aytmoq. To say or to tell. Aytmoq. U salom aytdi. U salom aytdi. He said hello or she said hello. U salom aytdi. So'ramoq. So'ramoq. To ask. So'ramoq. Men savol so'radim. Men savol so'radim. I asked a question. Men savol so'radim. Javob bermoq. Javob bermoq. To answer. Javob bermoq. U savolga javob berdi. U savolga javob berdi. He answered the question or she answered the question. U savolga javob berdi. U savolga javob berdi. Okay? Tushunmoq. Tushunmoq. To understand. Tushunmoq. Men o'zbek tilini tushunaman. Men o'zbek tilini tushunaman. I understand the Uzbek language. Men o'zbek tilini tushunaman. Okay? Great job, everyone. Today you'll learn 25 most common Uzbek language verbs. These verbs are the foundation of everyday Uzbek language conversation, and once you become comfortable using them, you will able to make many different sentences on your own. In the next lesson, we will learn 25 more essential Uzbek language verbs. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give the video a like and subscribe to Modern Life School. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and help you with your Uzbek language learning journey. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.